Now let's go down, and we need to add the media tag for it. Once it stretches less than to media screen of maximum width around 550, that means 0 to 550 pixels, it should act in that way. So at media screen and max width colon 550 pixels. Oops, it's too big. Dot left menu, width it should be 64 pixels, and the minimum width it's also 64 pixels. It should not go less than that. Now you can see it looks like this. Okay, so first I need to remove this search one, so I'll just remove it. Dot left menu dot search box display none. Now we don't have that one. In the same way, now what we need to do, we need to target the track list also. So I don't want this track list also. Track list. Now we don't have that track list anymore, and we don't need this playlist container also. So playlist container, we don't have it. We just need to bring up this menu icon completely. So now we target the menu. So what we have inside the menu, if you go to the menu, okay, inside the menu, what are we having? We don't need to display this span tag, right? We don't need to display that span tag. So I'll just oops, and see what is the cubic bezier effect. This is that cubic bezier effect. See, it's having that nice transition effect. So what is the important thing now is we need to get that span tag, this one. We don't need this span tag to be displayed over there, so we need to we need to remove that one. So I'll make it, I'll minimize it. Instead of minimizing, I'm just keep on closing it. So scroll down. Now we'll target that one. Dot left menu dot menu container ul li anchor tag span tag display none. Now we don't have that one. Now we need to maximize it. How big we can do, we can maximize it. Okay, so what we have to do is copy this and paste it. Icon font size, it's going to be 24 pixel. That's perfect. Or 26. That's perfect. Now copy it and paste it over here. Instead of these two, we don't need these two. We need to target the li tag, and we need to add the margin. Margin 25 pixels and 0. Here we go. If I click, it's having that nice over that transition effect. And see over here, we need to mix this, we need to move this a little bit. So what I need to do is I just need to make sure that this title is always taking this margin where it is logo container, font size 20 pixels, and this h2 should always take margin left as 20 pixels. Now we can't see it. Let's see how it's looking in the main screen. Main screen, it's taking too much of things, too much of space. Okay, we'll add that thing just for our small screen. What is that style? Left menu logo container h2. So in the left menu, target the logo container h2. Paste that style. Now right click, inspect, Now you can see we have perfect responsive now menu, a left menu. So the same way, now we need to fix the right side menu and all the main containers. Okay, so let me open up the remaining things. So just give me a moment. Let me close the screens whatever I opened in the another monitor. So let's open up only that thing. What is the error we are getting? Again the same mistake, unique key. I think we missed the unique key for our track list. Not track list. Where is the playlist? Playlist, not this one. Where does menu playlist? Bring it up to this side. We just missed the unique key again. For this key equals list dot id. Okay, and we not yet discuss printed that name. It's keep on displaying the sample name. We just need to bring up that list dot name. Now you can see it's displaying the different name over here. Okay, perfect. So now we don't have that error anymore. I hope so. Let's see. Expand it, clear the console, refresh it again, and make sure and verify it. Here we go. Now we don't have that error anymore. So our menu, it's completely fixed now. It's working so far so good. Let's minimize it, and we don't need this. Let me close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Now what we need, we just need the main container and the right menu. So let me open up the styles for them. Main container, right menu. Okay, so let's open up the main container. Okay, so inside this main container we having multiple, just a minute, multiple divisions, and that multiple divisions should be like, yeah, here we are. We're having this banner, and we're having this list of songs, and we're having this music player, and in the right side we have these two sections. So let's say first we need to fix the width for these two things. That's a really big problem. We need to solve them first. What we have to do. Okay, left menu is completed, so we don't need to worry about this anymore. Close it. And then track list is also completed. Close it. Menu list is completed. Close it. Close it.